Hey, this is Chris with Suarez Home and Finance. My camera is moving and it won't be still. I wanted to give an update as far as what's going on with the market, so with rates and everything else. Right now, we are putting into place as far as everybody staying at home. I am at home, or I am at my office all by my lonesome. My staff is at home working remotely, totally secure, so they're all gone. Nobody's here but me today. So, anyways, we've got phones being answered. We've got people on Skype making phone calls, everything else. So nothing has changed. Everything is secure, all that kind of stuff. We're washing our hands, keeping up with what we're supposed to. So I just wanted to let everybody know as far as what's going on with the rates and what all of this means, what's going on with everything now. So I'm sitting in my lobby on my couch, got a TV, kick back, watch TV for a while. So the feds have bought mortgage-backed securities. They've bought, and I could be saying some of the words wrong, but anyways, so the feds have bought all of these mortgage bonds and everything else. So that's a good thing because there's money there. What happens though is that makes things go good, but then on the flip side, you have the mortgage companies giving you 3 months, which is great for people, absolutely, giving 3 months that you don't have to make a mortgage payment. What happens is that those servicers that are giving you the 3 months without making payments, they still have to make their payments to their warehouse lines, everything else, where they're getting the money from. And so what happens is that they're putting out all this money and they're not getting their mortgage payment from you because they've said, because of the disaster, because of what's going on in the world, you've got 3 months that you don't have to make your mortgage payments. So it's a pro and a con. What is happening also is that I'm a broker, so I don't deal with one particular bank. I am not shut down by any means. We are closing. We are doing everything business as normal, and business has not stopped. But you have some of my banks are not allowing me to lock a loan until we are within 15 days from closing. Some that are the outside of the box lenders. I've got one lender that shut down for the moment for 2 weeks completely. There is others that a lot of what is happening is that because of the market and the volatility and everything that's going on, the market is so inundated with refis that number one, you can't keep up. Number two is that loan officers, loan originators like myself, but individuals are taking and locking their client's interest rate in, but the loan is falling through. They're not actually going forward with the loan. And so that costs money. So all of these things are happening that are actually costing money and not going through. Then you have people that are refinancing that only closed less than 6 months ago. That is causing a lot of down, I don't know how you'd call it. It's costing a lot for the banks. So if somebody's refinancing within 6 months, it's costing a ton of money for the banks. It's never, VA actually has a rule in place that you cannot, that it does not allow a veteran to refinance until you've made 6 payments, 210 days from the first payment, and we can close on the 211th day. So I do have some people that we are doing that with because if rates are low or whatever. So just because the feds say that the interest rate is 0%, that the feds are dumping all of this money into the market, yes, absolutely, that's great. The money is sitting there, but on the flip side, it really kills things on the other side. If you're buying a home right now, interest rates are, oh my God, great for you. Can we still close you in 30 days? Yes, but we're saying let's do 60 days just in case because all the underwriters are backed up on the refis, but purchases are priority. And so for purchases, the rates are absolutely awesome. FHA and VA rates are in the high 2s to 3s, so it just depends on what your situation is, your credit score, what you're buying for, so on and so forth. So purchases all day long. I know a lot of agents are doing virtual tours, which great for them. But the purchase market has not slowed down. It's not changed as far as rates. It's gotten better as far as that's concerned. But on the refi, I've got clients that I'm sitting here waiting to see when rates are going to get better, because you had literally a minute to lock. And if your client wasn't ready, if some of my clients weren't ready or they hadn't responded to me yet or whatever, we couldn't lock the rate in yet. So we've got, I've got them in a holding pattern, just getting ready for the minute that the rates get better. But anyway, so I just wanted to kind of update you and how things work on my side and for you. But we, as always, have you in the forefront of our mind. We thank you for having you, for your trust in us. And if there's anything that we can help you with, if I can answer any questions, whatever the case is, please do not hesitate to call. The number is 813-252-5025. And again, we're still here, we're still answering, we're still working, emailing, everything else. I do video calls with my office, which is crazy, and people are working in their pajamas. What are you gonna do? So I hope you're having a great day. I'm in my jeans and t-shirt because I'm the only one here, so my doors are locked, nobody can come in. So I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're keeping your family safe. Wash your hands, keep everything clean, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.